Ever wanted to talk to a database? You're gonna need to know SQL. Let's start.
So how do you ask for exactly what you want? Well, you have to speak its language.
Think of it this way. You can't just walk up to a librarian and say, "Give me a book."
First things first, you have to be super specific about what you're actually looking for. In SQL, that starts with the command select. This tells the database which columns to grab.
For example, here we're only asking for two things, the customer name and their city.
And boom, that's what you get. Just the two columns you asked for, nothing more.
But wait, what if your list has a bunch of duplicates? How do you clean that up?
Easy. You just add one little word, distinct. Put it right after select.
See the difference? On the left, duplicates. On the right, a nice, clean, unique list.
Okay, but you probably don't want all the data, right? You need to narrow it down. That's what the where clause is for. It's your best friend for filtering your data.
This is asking for everything, but only for customers where the city is Berlin.
And there's your result, a filtered list showing only your customers from Berlin.
So, you've got the right data. But it's all out of order. Let's fix that. For that, you use order by. It does exactly what it sounds like. It sorts your results.
Here, we're asking for all the customer names and sorting them alphabetically, A to Z.
And look at that, a perfectly sorted list. So much easier to read, right?
Okay, you ready for the final step? Let's combine everything we've just learned. Just remember the order. Pick your table, filter it down, select your columns, then sort.
This one's a bit more complex. It finds unique cities in Germany and Mexico, then sorts them.
And there's the final result. Precise, filtered, and sorted data. Pretty powerful stuff.
So with just select, where, and order by, you can already ask some serious questions.
So, you know the basics. What are you going to go find out?